Welcome to Tech Minds. Get ready to witness the power and precision of industrial machines. Let's dive into the world of innovation and technology. This is Tech Minds, where machines meet the future. Number 1. The Chemrock EK1 4.0 Chain Cutter is an industrial workhorse tailored for precision cutting in demanding environments. With its robust build and advanced chain mechanism, this machine excels in applications such as demolition and forestry operations. The cutting-edge technology ensures controlled and efficient cutting, making it a reliable choice for professionals seeking high performance. Chain cutters. Number 2. The JCP Fast Track Tractor is a versatile agricultural powerhouse, blending high horsepower and modern features for efficient field operations. Its adaptability makes it ideal for tasks ranging from plowing to heavy hauling. And the advanced technology enhances speed and maneuverability, contributing to increased productivity in contemporary farming practices. Number 3. The Crawler Harvester. Boasting an impressive 280 horsepower, is a force in forestry. Its track design ensures stability on challenging terrains, making it efficient for timber harvesting in dense forests with advanced forestry technology. This harvester promotes sustainable logging practices, combining power with precision for large-scale operations. Number 4. The modern Warbark 3200 Horizontal Chipper is an industrial wood processing marvel designed for high-volume timber chipping. Its horizontal orientation ensures continuous and efficient chipping, producing uniform wood chips for diverse applications. Powered by a robust engine, this chipper excels in handling large-diameter logs, contributing to increased productivity in wood processing industries. Number 5. The Diggleman Trailed Stone Harvester LRX51 model is an advanced agricultural implement for efficient stone removal. Its trailed design ensures easy maneuverability, while innovative stone separation technology allows effective clearance without harming soil or crops. This harvester streamlines land preparation, promoting smoother planting and cultivation for enhanced field management. Number 6. The Dipperfox Stump Grinder is a compact yet powerful solution for stump removal. Its innovative design allows precise grinding in tight spaces, making it suitable for both urban and rural settings with robust construction and high efficiency. This stump grinder significantly reduces time and effort required for stump removal, proving invaluable in landscaping, forestry, and land development projects. Number 7. The GMR Hedge Tractor Mounted Mulcher is a versatile attachment for efficient vegetation management. Mounted on a tractor, it excels in clearing overgrown hedges, shrubs, and vegetation, maintaining landscapes with its robust construction and adjustable cutting height, suitable for various terrains. This mulcher enhances efficiency in land maintenance for landscaping, roadside upkeep, or general agricultural purposes. Number 8. The Pound Drilling Rig is a heavy-duty machine engineered for demanding drilling applications in challenging terrains. Equipped with advanced drilling technology, it reaches significant depths for geotechnical surveys, mineral exploration, and well drilling. Its robust construction and powerful drilling capabilities make it suitable for complex projects requiring precision, ensuring stability during operations in diverse environments. Number 9. Damcon Transplanters are specialized agricultural machines designed for efficient tree planting, streamlining the movement of seedlings from nurseries to fields. These transplanters feature automated systems that optimize planting accuracy. Their versatility accommodates various seedling types and planting configurations, playing a crucial role in large-scale reforestation projects and contributing to sustainable forestry practices. Number 10. The Multi-Track Robotic Tractor is an avant-garde agricultural solution featuring autonomous operation and advanced robotics, designed for tasks such as plowing, seeding, and harvesting with precision and efficiency. Its multi-track design ensures stability and traction across diverse terrains. Equipped with artificial intelligence, this tractor reduces human intervention, marking a pivotal shift in smart and automated agricultural machinery. As a trailblazer in modern farming solutions, It signifies the evolving landscape of technology-driven agriculture, offering operational versatility and increased efficiency. Number 11. The Ditch Witch Model 1820 is a compact, yet powerful trenching machine designed for precision digging and utility line installation. Its versatility shines in various excavation tasks, ensuring minimal disruption to the environment with a focus on maneuverability. The Model 1820 is a reliable choice for projects demanding efficient and accurate trenching. Number 12. The Exceed Agbit 5115T2 is an autonomous agricultural robot revolutionizing farming practices. This innovative machine pulls various implements for tasks like seeding and cultivation, enhancing efficiency in modern agriculture with advanced technology. It reduces labor dependency and ensures precision in every operation, making it a game changer for sustainable and high yield farming. Number 13. The JCB Pothole Pro is a specialized machine crafted for road maintenance, equipped with cutting-edge features. It identifies and repairs potholes swiftly, contributing to safer and smoother road surfaces. Its efficiency and precision make it an essential tool for municipalities and road maintenance crews, streamlining pothole remediation processes. Number 14. The Cobalco Demolition Machine stands out as a robust and versatile tool for controlled demolition in construction projects. With precision engineering, it ensures safe and efficient dismantling of structures while minimizing environmental impact. This machine's reliability and adaptability make it a cornerstone in the field of demolition, where precision and safety are paramount. Number 15. The Fecon FTX 200 Mulching Tractor is a heavy-duty land-clearing marvel designed for vegetation management. With its mulching capabilities, it efficiently shreds and clears vegetation, proving indispensable in forestry, land development, and environmental restoration projects. This tractor's power and precision make it a go-to solution for professionals seeking efficient and environmentally friendly land clearing and mulching operations. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.